Good morning. We just finished working on a unit study on the human body, and that was fun. And now we're ready to work on our next unit study, which is physics. And I just wanted to show you really quick some of the resources that I use and how I compile my unit studies. Right here I have a book that I just recently purchased, and it's written by Susan Simpson and Dina Zeik. And if you're not familiar with Dina Zeik creates a whole series of books that teach you how to incorporate foldables in your work. She uses foldables that are seen in lap booking, if you're familiar with lap booking, and it's a series of mini books, foldables, flap books, stuff like that. It's really interactive and engages your students. And this within itself is a curriculum, or it can be used to supplement a curriculum that you're currently using. This one is The World of Light and Sound, and inside it's multi-leveled, which means that you can use this with students of various ages and grades. For instance, with a homeschooling family, you're going to have a range of students based on your children's age, and this would work wonderful in the homeschool environment. How it works is each section gives you a list of vocabulary words, and you would pull out which vocabulary words would be conducive to whichever child. So of course your oldest child would get the most complex words, and you would give the basic simple words to your kindergartner, first grader, second grader. Also within the book, it has experiments and activities, and it goes over the different concepts of that particular subject. And it has foldables inside, and it shows you how to put those foldables together. There's also links for further research. And on the back, just to show you what the foldables will look like when they're put together, and the different experiments that you'll do. Secondly, I got this book, Physics by Janice Van Cleve, and I am a huge Janice Van Cleve fan. I want to do another video just showing you her series of books. They are very homeschool friendly experiments that require things that are laying around your house, and if you don't have them laying around your house, you can easily go to the store and pick up the materials that are needed. Here is Kitchen Science. My children love this book. Everything in here is hands-on, stuff that you have in your kitchen. A lot of it's messy, but it's really fun. And here are some reading books that I purchased for my younger children so they can get an understanding of the different aspects of physics as well. Let's Read and Find Out Science has a series with dozens of books that cover almost every, I don't even want to say almost, they cover every subject in science, and it breaks it down to a young child's level. And these are the ones I got for our physics unit. I got Sounds All Around, Daylight, Nightlight, Where Light Comes From, Gravity is a Mystery, What Makes a Magnet, and Energy Makes Things Happen. I also have their own individual textbooks, and within the textbooks they'll be able to read snippets of a condensed version of the physics lesson, and we also have other books that are going to coincide with the lesson as well. And in addition to that, we have science kits, sound, color, and temperature kit, and I have this junior science kit that has over 450 experiments. So we plan on going over a period of about, I'd say, another 6 weeks to 2 months of dealing with physics. And within that, we'll be doing notebooking, note-taking, experimentation, and reading.